Hey everybody, welcome back. This is going to be the part 2 to the AI SEO writing tools. This is going to be for anyone who runs SEO Neo and needs content, lots of content, and relatively fast without a team. This product is actually provided by Anon, and I am helping him promote it because I use it, and it really allows me to save a lot of time and money. So I decided to kind of jump in and show you step by step how to get from point A to point B, that being getting your credits all the way to getting your content. And also, just a reminder, since you're viewing this, giving me some views on YouTube, I want to offer you up a 15% increase in your credits if you use my link. So my link's going to be https colon / georgedigital.net/AI Neo 15. If you use that, get you to this screen, and you will see the same prices here. But what will happen is when you make your purchase, Anon will go in and he'll know that it's coming from me because of the link, and it will get you an extra 15% on top of whatever you get. So, and these credits last for a year. AI prices fluctuate up and down, so lock yourself in for a year with these credits. So, if you get 2,000 credits, you'll end up getting about 300 more credits. My math is right. So yeah, the more the better. The more you get for free, the more you can pump out. If you're a heavy HSN user, you want to really cut down on prices, you get the big one. If you're a small guy, if you only have a couple clients, you get the small one. But so I'm just going to go through this with you and get moving. Right, so there's not going to be a promo code because it'll already be built in once this gets approved. So yeah, make sure that you do have an account already. Otherwise, you're going to have to create an account. They do take a Stripe and PayPal for US customers. I like PayPal. Okay, you see here that I have paid the invoice, and soon I will get a email. If you're not already signed up, you'll get an email basically telling your login details, how to log in and how to get in. And mind you, it's going to take, maybe upwards of 12 hours, depending on if the person who's managing the accounts is up and awake. This is done overseas from, America, so it is done overseas. So it could take up to 12 hours for the account for it to be processed. So just take note of that. So don't be upset. Don't be mad. Don't, but write a bunch of tickets, just to understand that, people have to sleep other places. Once you log in, you'll see that you've been invited to the folders, which includes the actual apps that you can use. So once you get into the folder, you'll see the SEO Neo Local Content Bucket app. That's what we're going to be using. That's what this is going to be focused on today. As you can see, what you're going to do is you're going to put in your email that you signed up with, and then we have several options. Right, so we kind of look at how the credit system works. You can pretty much calculate from what you bought to what you're going to use, how much each one of these is going to cost you, because the more credits you get, the less a credit costs. So I'm not going to try to do the math on all those for you, but that's how this works. For this example, we're just going to do a 30. All right, so once you've chosen your actual plan that you want, I'm going to do 30 articles. This is going to include 30 location info content, 30 keyword location content, 30 questions, 30 related keywords, articles, 100 author bios, 100 comments, 100 short descriptions, and 1 blog info. This is going to be Bird Dog Training, Bird Dog Trainer. And so once you fill all this out, basically just click Control Charge as follows. Just make sure that you double check all of this before you hit go, because once you submit, it is submitted and there's no way to cancel it. So here we go. All right, so thank you for your submission, or Your submission has been received. Now, this may take upwards of an hour because it does have to run through close to 30 to 40 different AI bots. So just be patient and it'll get to you. All right, as you can see, I have all of the different pieces of content that I will be putting in my SEO Neo campaign. Now, you saw that in the first campaign, so I'm not going to, or in the first video, so I'm not going to do it over again. But this is what you get. You get all this content for your SEO Neo campaign. And don't forget, when you use my link, you will get an extra 15% of credits. So have at it, have fun. What's nice here is that it'll give you the folder that this content is in. And then also it'll give you what your balance is after you've run the task. So that's nice if you're trying to keep track of that. Thanks.